What is this? 1080p digital camera. $1080p digital camera, huh? Huh. Let's take a look at this thing. Alright, we are back in the Supercar Street Racing office right here in front of artificial intelligence generating stuff for us. And we have the Jack and Nor digital camera 2024 upgraded 1080p 44 megapixel digital camera. Kids, digital point shoot camera with 16x zoom. Oh, it just goes on forever, but this is a 1080p camera here that they have provided to me at no charge to review for you guys. And the only fair way to do that is to set the GoPro up at the same video resolution and use the built-in mic from the GoPro. Let's turn this on to film us at the same time. Should be recording us now, so let's see if it can see us right here. And now we are in apples to apples comparison. You guys are looking at me. I just washed my hair, so it's an absolute mess, but this is the camera right here. Now, the camera does shoot, I believe, it doesn't actually say, but I think it's 30 frames per second at full HD 1080p. It does come with a memory card. I believe it's a 32-bit, as according to the ad on Amazon says, and it also does still pictures as well, so we will be comparing the two. And if we look right here on the back, it is recording right now, and the little light is flashing. I did charge the camera for about 30 minutes before we went ahead and got this out. And then also, the menu system is pretty simple on the camera. We will go through it once we stop down on this video, but I wanted to put kind of a side-by-side comparison of the GoPro to this. To make it completely, hopefully in the shot, it's a very narrow field of view. To make this fair, I have the GoPro set at 1080p, 30 frames per second, which is not what I usually shoot at. And I will publish the video in 1080p as well, just to make sure that it is a fair fight. I'm also not using the wireless mic, I'm using the actual GoPro mic on the Media Mod kit, as you can see right here. It's the same video, we're recording at the exact same time. Now, going through the manual here, I will put a picture up on the screen now of the manual. It is not very conclusive on a lot of the settings, but it is pretty easy to figure out. Basically, there is a mode button on the back. It is labeled number 5 here on the instruction manual, and that's where you basically go from telling it to shoot video to shooting still pictures. And we do have it set on the highest setting right now of 1080p. And then the video settings are just one thing, but you can also set the still picture to 44, 42, 36, or 24 megapixel. And on the video, you can go 1080p, 720p, or 480p. It does come with a 32 gigabyte SD card. It can take single or continuous photos, or it has a timer to do that. Now, this only has an electronic zoom. This does not have a manual zoom. So if you want to manual zoom, you cannot do this. It will always be electronic, meaning it is blowing up the electronic picture when you are going ahead and zooming on it. It does have a lithium-ion battery that is rechargeable, and that is what we are running on right now. So it does have a warning on the box that it is normal for the camera to get hot when it is running. So be aware, it will get hot, especially on video and using the 30 frame per second at 1080p video mode. Now, taking a look inside the box, the camera did come in this nice case right here. Nice soft case, as you guys can see right here. We'll put it on both videos for you guys to compare. And dipping further inside the box, we would find a plug here, so a regular charger for a USB type A. We have a nice cleaning cloth for your camera here. I'll put it right in front of that one so you can see it. We have a USB type A to USB type C cable right here as well. We have a USB type A to USB C cable right here for charging the camera. We have a nice strap that goes right onto the side of the camera here. We have an empty SD card holder because the SD card is physically inside of the camera right now, guys. And then we have this other strap that's a lot bigger, I guess, to put it around your neck. And that is all that came with the camera. And now it is time to put the camera side by side and shoot some video in different lighting conditions so you can compare the video and the audio from the GoPro to the new SD card digital camera. Okay, we are side by side on the new digital camera with the GoPro, and we are going to compare this footage. We're going to walk around the house into different areas and just show you typical video from different lighting conditions so you can decide for yourself which camera has the better quality. Now, already notice that the frame on the digital camera, the new one, is a lot more narrow. It doesn't have quite a wide field of view. Look, on the GoPro, I have it set to normal, linear. So this is how it looks in my bathroom with just the lighting from the LED mirrors. Now let's step into the dark area of the bathroom and see which one has better low light or more high performance low light conditions. And that's a good look at how that looks there. And then moving over to my well lit closet, this is how it looks all the way up into the light, directly into the light. On the right, it does feel like it's a little bit more bluish in color on the new digital camera base compared to the old GoPro. And I'm watching the frame rate on the right hand side feel like it's not doing 30 frames per second, but we are going to find out if it can't keep up with the GoPro. Lighting from our skylights until we turn on the big lights. And you can see right here the lights did come on, and let's compare the detail in the carpet here, which has little lines on it, and the detail in Shamar Bridges' NFL motorbike here. We're going to move on outside of the Supercar Street Racing house now. Now it has been raining for a solid week in Jacksonville, maybe more than that, and it is very difficult to get some time outside, but we are finally able to come outside and compare pictures on the old GoPro to the new digital camera here, which costs a fraction of the price. Let's take it down to the dock here and see if we can get this alligator. And here he comes. Let's telephoto on him. Now the battery keeps coming out. The battery compartment keeps opening. Let's telephoto on him. All right, here comes another one. Let's go ahead and zoom in on that guy. Here comes another alligator headed this way. That's how it looks zoomed in on the new digital camera. Let's go ahead and widen out. It looks like it's having trouble keeping up with the frame rate, but not sure. And of course, the GoPro will beat that. Here is the pool. You can definitely see a difference in the lens. How wide the lens shoot, how narrow the new digital camera is. And let's check the colors out on this plant. Nice reddish, purplish colors on the plant. How do they look? All right, let's take some pictures with both of these and compare those next. It's Friday night edit at Supercar Street Racing. Brad here, and you can see right behind me the 24/7 Supercar Street Racing jukebox, looking so fresh and so fly right behind me. And right here we have this digital camera. It's a 44 megapixel 1080p camera that we were provided by the manufacturer to go ahead and check out today. And I have it right here in front of me. A few things about this camera is you could see the quality is not amazing at 1080p. It does skip frames, and the quality is not super good, and the audio is just okay. So is it worth $45? I'm not sure. I'll let you guys decide. side when you look at the video and the audio side by side with the GoPro, which costs 10 times as much. But right here we have the camera, and here's a good look at it. I did notice that the battery compartment tends to open up like by itself. Sometimes it's really easy to get out. And here is a look at the screen right here behind it. You can see it says welcome coming up on the screen right now when you power it on. It does do stills, it does do video, and I did just show you how that looks right up against the super expensive GoPro. So this thing has 4.9 stars right now out of 90 ratings. And I would say that if you need a cheap camera, especially for kids, this is perfect for you. I actually am going to give this to my friend's son for his birthday, and he will probably love it and make a bunch of videos and pictures on it. And it does come with a little case and a USB Type-C cord to go ahead and either upload it or to charge it. So guys, we're not going to hang around here all night. It's Friday night. We've been working all week really hard, but please like and subscribe and buy all your products through the affiliate links down below. Please like and subscribe and comment, guys. We really appreciate everything that you guys do for our channel. This video is a beast to edit with these two cameras. I hope you enjoyed it. I got to get out of here. It's Friday night. I got to go eat a ribeye.